Hi, I'm Veronica Ruiz, and I'm happy to share with you this tip or that way to get a good twisting in your upper body is through the lifting. And sometimes when we are twisting the upper body, especially in the stomach massage series or spine twist, we are dropping off the arm back and bringing inside or in or shoulder. So that's, sorry, but it's not twisting. So you need to engage more your hips, try to lifting, all the basics or the foundation. And the real twist is from the rib cage, shoulders, sternum. So I find a great way to work on it using the petit pull.